Hello, and welcome to this instructional video on downloading and installing your AirMagnet software. Please note that you will need your AirMagnet account information and an active internet connection to download software. Product software downloads can be found within your AirMagnet account area. Open a web browser, follow the link provided in your installation instructions, or type enterprise.netscout.com. At the top of the page, click on Sign In and select AirMagnet. Log in using your AirMagnet username and password. If you created an account earlier in the installation process, when registering your software, check your email inbox for your account generation confirmation, along with your username and password. After signing in, choose Registered Products/Downloads from the left-hand side. All of your purchased registered products will be displayed on this page. Click on the software download icon to download the software you would like to install and save the file to your computer. After downloading, launch the installation program you saved on your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once setup is complete, click Finish. For AirMagnet Wi-Fi Analyzer Pro, if you would like to install a third-party packet decode engine, you may do so at this time. Your AirMagnet software has now been installed on your computer. Thank you for watching this video.